welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Now, I just realized that I don't have any spaghetti recipes on my channel. And I think the reason for that is because I feel like everyone knows how to make spaghetti. It's such a basic, quick and easy meal that I think, I don't need to show you how to make that, but today I'm going to show you an elevated version. So here are my ingredients. I'm going to be using some chorizo sausage, some ground beef. I have some onions, garlic, bell peppers. I'll be using some red wine for the seasoning. I have garlic and onion powder, bouillon, black pepper, ranch seasoning, complete seasoning, some creole and black pepper. I also have here some brown sugar. So let's get into the recipe. So to my preheated pot, I have here my sausage and the ground beef. I'm gonna brown it and allow it to release all of the oils and stuff before I actually add the rest of the ingredients. Now that all the meat is brown and the oils are released, what I'll do is just remove a little bit of that oil. I need some of it to cook the vegetables, so I'm gonna add a paper towel in here and just suck up some of that oil, and then we will add the vegetables. It's just my lazy way of removing the oil because I don't want to actually drain it. So I just put a paper towel in there. It sucks up some of the oil, and then we can proceed to the next step. Now we're going to add our vegetables, allow them to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of green seasoning as well. I will leave the link to the recipe down in my description box. We're going to toss this around and just allow it to go for 3 to 4 minutes. And in case you're wondering why I'm not seasoning the meat, well, that's because the chorizo sausage is very well seasoned, and that carries over into the ground beef. And also the fresh green seasoning, it has salt in it, so that will work too as a bit of, marinade for that meat. Next, we will add our sauce. I'm using Prego sauce today, and I actually forgot to show this on the ingredients at first, but yeah, I'm gonna use some Prego sauce. We're gonna add that in, and then we're gonna add our red wine. Now make sure you're using a good tasting red wine, one that you'll actually drink, because that will reflect in the taste of your sauce. So there you see me adding the seasoning. We're going to toss everything around, make sure it's well combined, and then we're going to sit the lid on and allow this to simmer on low heat for about 40 to 45 minutes. Now we're going to prepare our noodles. I know everyone knows how to cook noodles. You can actually follow the instructions on the package. And yeah, here I have my water preheating, and I will add my noodles in here. I don't usually salt my water simply because my meat sauce is so very well seasoned. I don't want to run the risk of making the meal salty. So I like to keep mine plain and simple. I don't add oil to my water either. I usually add it afterwards when the noodles are done cooking. I will show you what I do. And yeah, we'll let this cook to our desired texture, and we will remove it and drain the noodles. Now, like I said, what I usually do is add some olive oil to my noodles once they're done. Then I go in with some dried parsley. You can use fresh parsley as well. And I just toss the noodles around real well. And this is how I serve my noodles up. Plain and simple. The meat sauce is enough flavor to carry over into your noodles, and it will not be bland. Trust me, guys. It will be absolutely amazing. Now back to our meat sauce. After about 45 minutes, this is what we're looking at. The meat sauce is actually done. When you allow your meat sauce to cook slowly, the meat actually softens up some more, and it just melts in your mouth, and all the ingredients get to marry well, and it's absolutely perfect. There you see me adding some fresh parsley, just the garnish, and this is it, guys. We can actually plate and serve. And here you have it, my elevated version of spaghetti. I did serve it up with some garlic bread and sprinkle some Parmesan cheese over top, and it was to die for. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up shirt and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients I used down in my description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.